Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ponke token. This token is getting listed today, Christmas Day. Merry Christmas everybody. This brand new meme coin on the Solana blockchain, it's got a lot of holders already, is being listed today, Christmas Day, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Ponke token, which is like a monkey, but with a P and no Y, of course, because it's a meme, is being listed today, December 25th at 16 hours UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search PONKE, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this is a meme token on the Solana blockchain. So Sol, the blockchain, has been exploding lately. I looked at it, yesterday or the day before, it was like $113. And I remember it recently, you know, when crypto was down, it was around, $40 or even less. And so now it's like way up there. And, maybe it'll just continue to rise. Who knows? But now, because of how popular Solana is, now there's all these meme coins that are super popular as well. And I've been doing a few videos on some of them, so check out the other videos that I've done recently on these tokens. One of them was the Silly Dragon. That one is somewhat popular. There's a few of them anyways. And now we have this one, which is pretty popular. I'm checking out their Sol scan right now, and it says they have 11,033 holders already. Name of the token is Ponke, and that is also the ticker symbol. 9 decimal places on this token, and there is a current supply of 555,552,545.96 tokens. Now, they have a Telegram that you can follow, the Ponke portal, which is at Ponke Sol, PONKESOL. 2,451 Telegram subscribers, so they're doing pretty well there. You can follow that Telegram to join the conversation. And they also have a Twitter. And as usual, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there. That's where you're going to find a lot of information, because this is very much a meme coin and there isn't like a ton of info on their webpage, and like there's no white paper, I don't think, that I've seen anyways. And so yeah, they have 47 tweets, so that's probably where you're going to get most of the info. And there's also probably going to be a lot of memes on there, of course. And that is also at Ponke Sol. It says, "Hi, I'm Ponke," and then it has a link to their Telegram on the Twitter there. And then it also has a link to their webpage, ponke.xyz. So you can find all the links on that Twitter, basically. December 2023, they just joined Twitter, so this is a very brand new project. Even their Twitter is less than a month old. They have 5,364 Twitter followers. So in their pinned tweets, you could also find tons of links, and you could also find their contract address if you're looking for that as well, because You can also get this token off of decentralized exchanges as well. So you could possibly get it off like Raydium or Jupiter by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or your Coinbase wallet, whatever decentralized wallet you want to use. With Solana, going into the dApps, finding Raydium or Jupiter, and then using that contract address, trade your SOL for the Ponke token that way. So you can also do that if you like, or Mexc Global as of today. So Ponke, powered by Solana. Ponke is a degen. He's got anger issues. And, you know, he's just a meme, of course. And so, right on their webpage, it says, buy Ponke, and it takes you to Raydium. So, it's definitely listed on Raydium. I don't know about Jupiter. Jupiter's like another type of, there's a whole bunch of SOL dexes, but it's definitely on Raydium, for sure, because that's on their webpage. It says, Ponke made 555 million tokens, but he's greedy, and he wants to keep them all for himself. I don't know why, but that's what it says on their webpage. And then it's just got a bunch of memes. It's a pretty cool webpage. Then it just says, join the Ponke community socials. And he's just going crazy. And then it says, click here to ape in, and that will also take you over to Raydium. So there's not, like I said, there's not tons of info on the webpage. It is very much just a meme token. Now, 3 hours ago, I'm just looking at their Twitter, it says they're also going to be available today on Poloniex. So Poloniex isn't like a tier 1 central exchange like Mexc Global. I would say maybe it's tier 2. Some people might put it tier 3. I don't even know how they measure these tier systems of centralized exchanges. But they tweet a lot of stuff like, our conviction is unshakable, my friend. You know what we have to do? Tell a Ponke to tell a Ponke to tell a Ponke to tell a Ponke. Join the Ponke army. We are recruiting, and then it says do it. And then they have lots of tweets like that. So they're basically, you know, they're doing a lot of good marketing and stuff like that on Twitter, trying to get people to share the token. Unleash your inner Ponke. Very cool memes. The thing about meme tokens is like the tweets and stuff like that are very shareable because they're cool pictures, cool artwork and memes, right? And they're funny sometimes, stuff like that. So it says, in only 24 hours, they got 10,000 holders. So that's how new the token is, and that's how quick it took off. One mission, one army, many, many, many Ponkes. The Ponke army is going to grow strong and keep growing. So yeah, and this was just a tweet from 13 hours ago. And so that's how brand new this token is. In 24 hours, they got over 10,000 holders, and now they're over 11,000, so it's taken off. Go check this project out, getting this big Mexc Global listing today. And like I said, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and I was about to say tokies, just like Ponke. Check out that. Anyways, subscribe, like this video, and you know, hit that join button if you want to help support the channel. Leave a comment, check out the referral codes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.